Guys, welcome back to another video. Hope you have a good day, my friends. So finally, friends, in this video we are going to discuss the latest update of XRP. Finally, friends, now in this time the XRP price start pumping. So this video is going to be very interesting and very surprise video for all of you, my friends. Before starting this video, friends, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, you can see here that the latest change occurring in the XRP is negative, positive 0.44%. The price start pump in just in the last 60 minutes, and the last one day change. I'm talking about the previous last 12 hours from the morning. Positive 0.2% change occur in the XRP Ripple coin movements. So my friends, now from this news, from this update, that's clear that the XRP positive time starts now. Now, after this time, you know what my personal prediction about XRP is that after a long time, after a very long term, they start jumping. So absolutely, my friends, I think that they have to continue this jump for a long time. Maybe for 1 week, maybe for 2 weeks, and maybe there is a possibilities for 1 month, my friends. That's just my personal prediction about XRP Ripple coin, my friends. Anyways, furthermore, if we talk about the price chart, so here is not available price chart currently, but you know what, everything is clear from the data which I show you in the start of this video that the changes is positive. And if the changes is positive, so this means that now I'm talking about the latest. Now the current situation is start positive and the price start increase. But my friends, in the start of pump, the price gradually increase slowly. With the passage of time, the price will going to hit a $1 USD. You can see here, my friends. Now, in the previous time, the price is taken a quick fast, but now the current situation is going good, my friends. And I hope they continue this jump for a long time, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel for more news and updates videos.